Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to shrink a volume in Windows 11. Whether you want to create space for a new partition or simply manage your storage more efficiently, shrinking a volume is a quick and easy process. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Start menu icon and select Disk Management. The Disk Management window will open, displaying all the drives and partitions on your computer. Now locate the partition you want to shrink. For example, I'm going to shrink the C drive. Right-click on the partition and select Shrink Volume. Windows will analyze the partition and then display a dialog box showing the total size of the partition, the amount of available shrink space, the amount of space you can reduce. In the field provided, enter the amount of space you want to shrink in megabytes, MB. Keep in mind that the number you enter represents the amount of space to remove from the partition, not the final size of the partition. Once you've entered the desired amount, click the Shrink button. Windows will then reduce the size of the partition. After the process is complete, you'll see a new section labeled Unallocated Space next to the partition you just shrank. You can use this unallocated space to create a new partition or extend another partition if needed. And that's how you can shrink a volume or reduce the size of a hard drive partition in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tutorials.